welcome back to another video by your favorite cousin, Tiara. So today's video is sponsored by Dyhair. Thank you, Dyhair, so much for sponsoring yet another video. For those of you that are new here, Dyhair is a part of our family, so definitely make sure you go check them out. If you want to see how I achieved this cute little hairstyle, girl, like it's popping. Do you see? 24 inches down to my butt. Yeah, get into it. So if you want some, go ahead. The link is gonna be down there. I will have the coupon code right here, and just enjoy the rest of the video, okay? I'll see y'all at the end. Bye. Alright, y'all, so like I said before, this video is sponsored by Dyhair. I have 2 packs of their clip-ins. Each pack of clip-ins come with 7 pieces, and I really like this hair because it definitely have more of a natural texture, which I love. And you'll see in the beginning and towards the end, I kind of didn't flat iron one of the pieces, so that piece kind of gave me like that wavy look. But once you flat iron it, you're good to go, especially if you wash it and you blow dry it first. You'll get even better results. And I really like the way they are making these now, because you see it's really flat, so it blends seamlessly with your hair.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
As long as you know who you belong to.
Okay, so as you can see throughout the video, the texture of this hair is definitely like a kinky curly type of texture a little bit. So if you do not like that, I would strongly suggest for you to wash and thoroughly blow dry, then straighten this hair. Me, I don't mind, because like if I sweat or anything like that, my hair kind of gets that texture at like the root of my hair. So for me, it looks perfectly fine and it doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, that's just a little tidbit for anybody that is interested in ordering this hair.
Sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dead. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over.
Okay, so I am done inserting pieces, and as you can tell here, I had some pieces left. There are 7 pieces in each pack, and I had 5 left over. So if your hair isn't, you know, really thick, or if you have like a brand new perm, your hair is like really straight, then you only need 1 pack. You don't have to get 2. Alright y'all, so you have reached the end of this video. If you made it to the end, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know how y'all feel about this hair. Are y'all feeling it? I know y'all gonna be honest. And thank you so much for clicking this video, because as always, you did not have to. You could have clicked the one before, you could have clicked the one after it, but instead just like come kick with me, and it's greatly appreciated. And I'll see y'all in another video. But before I go, thank you Dyhair again for sponsoring another video, and I look forward to collabing with you guys again. Bye y'all.